Hello everyone, I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and hit the bell. I sure would appreciate it. Today I'm going to be talking about how to grow pears trees from seed. Well, I have this pear that I picked off of my tree, and later on I'll show you the tree that it came from in another video. But this one here, and I've already opened up another one that I've already got the seeds out of. It's a simple, super simple, easy way. You take out the seeds, the best seeds, and try to get them out without cutting the seed itself. Now, like this one here, looks like it's already got a little germination to it already, and I put it on this wet double Kleenex tissue because I was out of paper towels. You can use a paper towel, it's more sturdy, but you can also use Kleenex, two of them together or three together, and I've already wet it with water. So the next thing I'm going to do is just fold this up like so. Make sure it's wet. If you need more water, put just a little bit more, but not enough to where they'll rot. And stick it in. Let's see, I need to set this down. Stick it in. Stick it in a Ziploc sandwich bag, and I've left a little air in there so it is kind of puffy so they won't rot. And I also left a little bit of it open right here on the end. I did not seal it all the way down. See, a little bit's open so it can get air. And then I'm going to take the seed and I'm going to put it in so you can see them through there. Then I'm going to put it in a dry, dark place for about a week or two, and then I'm going to go back and check it, and then I'll make another video showing what to do after you get the seeds to germinate, then what to do next. Please be sure to stay tuned for the next video on growing pears from seed. Everybody have a blessed day. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Hit the bell too. Bye-bye.
Is it off?
Not yet. I'm going to get a good thumbnail.